Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you my whole day, how did I do in this day. And yes, today is a wonderful festival and festival name is Raksha Bandhan. So in India it is a very special festival. Generally, in this festival, all the sisters, all the brothers celebrate this festival. So, this festival depend on sisters and brothers' relationship. No matter what, how much differences between sisters and brothers, no matter how much dispute between sisters and brothers, but generally in this day, they forget their dispute. They generally talk to each other, they generally call to each other. If they are not the same place, so they generally wish to each other. So this is the festival, this is the importance of this festival. And yes, through the festival generally we make our relationship alive. And yes, India is a place where every day festival happens. And yes, Raksha Bandhan festival, it's a very special festival. Okay. Now, so how did I do in this day? So, and generally, I celebrate my Raksha Bandhan festival with my brother. And how did I celebrate this festival? So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you everything. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so as you all know that today we are celebrating our festival, and festival name is Raksha Bandhan. So yes, I was ready to go my brother's house, and I and my daughter ready, and I was driving a car. And yes, you can see Dovey was sitting next to me, and he generally sitting next to me. Okay, so I reached my brother's house in between 1:30 p.m. It was afternoon time. So when I reached there, so I just started to do all the formalities, like I tied thread on my brother's wrist, and I feed him some sweets, all the sweets that he likes. So I generally feed some delicious sweet like milk cake. So he like milk cakes, so that's why I feed milk cake. Okay. And yes, you can see in this video, she is my brother's wife. And yes, you can see he is my younger brother. He is not my elder brother, he is my younger brother. And yes, he is very, very rude with his health. You can see his health. He is very not conscious, he is not conscious for his health. So yes, you can see he is my younger brother. Okay. And after that, when I tied Rakhi on my brother's wrist and feed some sweets, so he gave me money. Generally he gave me money, because he said that you will buy whatever you want to buy. So he generally gave me some monies. Okay, so I took all the money. And after that, my daughter started to celebrate this festival by tiding a Rakhi on his, on her cousins. So he is my brother's son, and he is very cute, he is very little. Okay. And yes, you can see how much sweet he eats. Okay, so you can see, and he's very cute and very funny also. So one by one, all his sister started to tie a Rakhi and feed him lots of, sweets. And he is very fond of eating some sweets. So yes, आज तो इसका दिन बन गया. After that, we we have eaten some foods and delicious food that my brother's wife have, maid. After that, for doing some gossip, and yes, you can see he is my father, and his age in between he is in 74 years, and he's very active. Every day he walks around 2 or 3 kilometers every day in this age. Okay, he's very active. And yes, so this is my whole family. You can see this is my sweet and whole family, and I'm living in a Jhansi city, and in Uttar Pradesh. And yes, my house and my brother's house, so there is between 3 or 4 kilometers distance only. So that's why I celebrated all my festivals with my friends, family, and my mother, father, and brothers. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And yes, you can also describe your day, you can also describe your activities, because learning English, it's not to learn ratai sentence. It's not good. If you really want to speak in English, so you have to observe all the activities and try to make some sentences on the base of your activities. Try to find out some words. If you are not capable to find out some words in English, don't worry. Try to use that words in Hindi, but please try to make sentences in English. In this way you can easily make sentences, and once you start to speak in English with the help of this process, then yes, you will be master in English very soon. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.